This is Mary from Mary's Stamping Happenings, and welcome to Tips and Techniques Tuesday. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you would like to purchase any of these Stampin' Up! Products, just go to marytroutner.stampinup.net. Hi everybody, this is Mary from Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is Tips and Techniques Tuesday, and I want to show you some of the new, a couple of new techniques for using Brusho. I'm going to show you two different ones, relatively the same, but they'll have a different outcome, okay? So I'm going to turn you over to this is new to me, so we're going to try it this way this week. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to put some of the Brusho on. This is a piece of watercolor paper, and I'm just going to, should make this hole just a little bit bigger. I'm going to put on some, this is gamboge, the orange yellow. So I'm putting a little bit of that on. And then I'm just going to put a little bit of the yellow on also. Now I'm putting this on dry. This one is the dry one. So I'm just putting, again, whoa, man. Okay. And I'm going to put this along on the outside. Okay. And then I want to put these back in, just in case any of the water. Then I'm going to take the spritzer, and I'm just going to spritz it. Okay. Then playing with this. Now, again, depends upon how close you get to how much water you get. Then you just want to leave it sit for a while. See how it goes. See if you need a little more. Oh, and you're just going to leave it sit. And that one's going to dry. Okay. So that's quick and easy. You can add different colors. You can blot it to dry it. You can do whatever you want to it. Let's put some over. Okay. So I'm just going to leave that to dry. And then I am going to get a second piece of cardstock or of watercolor paper. I like to use silicone mats because I can just wash them off then. Okay, so this one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to wet this. I've got an aqua painter, and I'm going to wet this where I want this with an aqua painter. Okay, and then I'm just going to take, let's do the same thing, and I'll show you the difference in the coloring. Then you can just drop a you want. And then you can let these both dry, and you can add different colors to them then. So, but we're just going to let this dry again. So those are two different colorings. This one you add dry and spritz, and this one you just make sure the watercolor paper is really saturated, and you can then just sprinkle on some of the Brusho. Now there's a few other techniques I'm going to try for my January class, but these are just the basic ones. There'll be other ones in the January class if you want to do the Let's Explore class. So thanks for visiting, and happy stamping. Bye-bye.